Welcome to our vlog.
Vlogging.
Vlog. It's like Sesame Street. Vlog.
No, that's not a word.
It is now. Wasn't when I watched Sesame Street. Your mom's texting you, Kevin. So here we are.
Hello, nation. Lane and Kevin.
Lane.
And Kevin.
Kevin.
Coming to you live, only on video.
Yes.
From
Beautiful
Clermont
Bluffs. Although I was going to say Natchez, Mississippi.
From beautiful Natchez, Mississippi. We are staying in Clermont Bluffs Bed and Breakfast this week. And it has been amazing. Let me tell you, I'm going to go first.
Okay, well, you'll
on
probably
the top 5 things.
You'll hit all the things that make
well,
Clermont
I'm going to do number 1.
Our favorite bed and breakfast.
The
we stay
top
at,
5 things that make Clermont Bluffs the perfect bed and breakfast for you to stay.
Yes.
Number 1, I'm going to go with every room has a king-size bed.
This is very important to a man who's 6'3".
Very important to people that have been married for 25 years and are used to a king-size bed. You go and stay at a bed and breakfast. Oh, they've got queen-size beds. Well, I'm sure it'll be fine. No, you won't sleep all week.
It's not fine at all.
So,
This is what he's also not telling you.
This
is the truth.
No, this is too much information.
He has really bad knees, and so he has to have a body pillow. He has to sleep with a body pillow to keep his knees from hitting each other.
So there are 3 of us.
We basically have 3 people in our bed every night. So we have to have a king-size bed. So every bedroom has a king-size bed. Number 1. Okay, I'm going to see if you can get 5.
Right, you number 2.
No, you said you were going to get the top 5
No,
things.
I said top 5. I'm going to go first.
No, you said I'm going to give the top 5 things. So I need you to come up with 5.
Wow, okay.
I'm going to agree with all of them.
All right, number 2. The breakfast is fantastic. And I don't know if you're like me, but when you go to stay at a bed and breakfast and you wake up and it's some cream weird thing that you've never seen in your life.
With big sauce.
Yes, and you're looking at it and you're kind of touching it with your fork going, what in the world is this? I'm sorry, maybe it's me. I love eggs and bacon and sausage and toast and biscuits, and that's what I like for breakfast, and that's what we've been getting. But the thing is, and I'm sure she can probably cook all of those wonderful things, she asked what do you like for breakfast?
Do you want asparagus with creamed fig sauce? Or would you like a traditional Southern breakfast?
Right.
And Kevin said, I care not for asparagus and creamed figs. And she accommodated his dietary requests.
Yes.
Which was lovely.
And
didn't act
do you like
snobby
grits?
About it.
No, we are Southern, but we don't like grits.
We don't like grits.
What coffee do you like? We don't drink
like
coffee. Now they're all screaming at us.
I know.
What?
This is why we've been married for 25 years. Okay, number 3.
Number 3, I'm going to go with the caretaker, Heidi.
Yes.
Who has been so accommodating this whole time. Wonderful, like anything we need, she's there for us. Restaurant recommendations.
Yes.
etc., right?
And so forth. Yes.
Right. She's a lovely person and has done a magnificent job of taking care of us.
Number 4. I can't believe you didn't say this one first. But
well, okay. Number 4 is the location.
Well, okay, that's still not what I thought you were going to say.
Okay, it is secluded. It's private. Yes. It's got special things for Lane.
Yes.
Across the street, but don't bother me a bit. But we are across from an amazing historic.
Well, we're across from the
cemetery.
National Cemetery in Clermont Bluffs, and then just in front of the National Cemetery is the old Natchez City Cemetery, which is one of the most beautiful and historic cemeteries in the United States, but especially in the South. It is It is glorious. It is so beautiful. Every time we come to Natchez, we visit the cemetery just because the sculpture is so incredible. But it's tucked away a little bit, right? It's right in the middle of everything.
Yeah, I mean, well, it's as quiet as a cemetery
It's as quiet as
across
the
the
grave.
street. And on this side of us is the Mississippi River. And it's just lovely back here. I mean, you know.
The chimney swifts are darting. We're still here. The chimney swifts are migratory and they're coming through, but they're darting around at night. They're eating the mosquitoes. We can hear them tweeting, and then the breeze is blowing off the Mississippi. Lovely!
So, location is fantastic.
Location,
And, well, I didn't even
location.
say, I mean, it's like 1 mile and then you're there where everything is.
Is it even a mile?
I don't
It's
know.
like
probably.
right there.
It's right there. And you have all the restaurants and all of the houses to tour. Everything is right there.
Okay, number 5.
I'm going to go with the architecture of this beautiful house.
Yes.
I mean,
isn't that
mainly
what everything is about for us?
The incredible front porch, which is like, right, you want to go stay in a bed and breakfast, you need a front porch that you can relax on, right? And this one has a beautiful rounded
gazebo end.
It's just
which is
gorgeous.
my favorite. You can ask him. If a porch has a gazebo end on a house, I'm done. I'm toast. I'm finished. Finito. I love it.
So that is number 5 for me. Lane, do you have any to add?
I do. It goes along with one of yours, but I cannot believe it was not the number 1 on your list. The time at which you can eat breakfast.
Oh, yeah,
Every time. We are not.
Yeah, what goes along with sleeping.
Right, but we are not morning people. There are people who are morning people. Good for you. Give yourselves a pat on the back. We're night owls. We'll be up till 2 or 3 in the
Yes.
morning every night. So we do not get up early. And there is nothing I hate worse than going on vacation and going to a beautiful bed and breakfast inn and they say, oh, breakfast starts at 7:30. We go till 8. And I'm like, I gotta get up. I gotta put my makeup on. I've gotta brush my teeth. I have to be a little bit coherent so I can have breakfast in the dining room with a bunch of strangers at the crack of dawn. I don't want to get up at the crack of crack on vacation, but here at Clermont Bluffs, not only do they feed you delicious breakfast, but they will either bring it to your room, which was fabulous, and not at an extra charge. You know those bed and breakfasts that you go to, they're like, you can have
really?
breakfast in your room for another $150. We'll stick a rose from Kroger on the plate and call it fancy. No, this is just, Heidi will bring it to your room, knock on your door, let you eat in your room, or you can come down to the dining room.
I'm able to
at a
put on
different
my
time.
makeup while I eat my breakfast.
I think that was me.
Oh, okay.
That was me.
Right.
You were showering. I was
Oh.
putting on my
Gotcha,
makeup.
gotcha.
I
Okay.
ate my breakfast.
Okay.
He gets a little confused. But that was mine. But other than that, I
No,
think
that's
you
a good
hit-
one.
You hit all the top things. I know we have video and we're going to be showing video of these beautiful grounds, but there's nothing like experiencing in person. The prices here are excellent. When you come and stay, we would give this a 10 out of 10 for convenience, comfort, quality, perfect place.
Nothing to add.
Nothing to add?
You said it all.
Well, actually, you said it all, and then I added a little bit.
Yeah,
so.
there you go. It's a change. It's a turn the tables.
Right? Look at you, talky.
I know. Well, off to another incredible dinner.
Indeed.
Thanks for visiting with us, guys. Come stay here.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.